Today is last week of the week. So today is 16th January. And then this is the trade that I'm about to take. Because of looking at this trade, I'll be expecting price to sweep the liquidity above this high before I can look for my entry. Because looking at this price action, the previous price, the high time frame was bullish, but looking at everything here is something like consolidation. This is what many traders always say. But looking at this analysis, the price is about to shift to bearish the way I see things, because we have a strong liquidation above this highs, and then price also swept this liquidity. So when price is sweeping the liquidity above this high, this is a clear confirmation price is about to reverse. So right now, this was the lowest point. Price reached, then it retraced back in a break structure in the 15 minutes time frame. If you go into the 5 minutes time frame, this is where I will be expecting to sell the price, but I'm not expecting because of I want price to sweep the liquidity above this high before I can look for my entry. Just simple. Let's see how it goes. So now I'm in the trade. You can see price just managing 2,000 euro, just risking 2,000 euro. Price just sweep the liquidity above these highs. And let's see, this trade is crazy, just managing the risk, because we are trading against the higher time frame trend. So let's see how it goes. Just managing risk right now. You can see I'm drawdown, but let's see how it goes. It is always about managing the risk and accepting, taking the responsibility of the outcome. Trading is always like this, because I'm just risking 1 for 8. So I just think like it's okay risking 1 for 8. Today is 16th January and today is Friday. Let's see how it plays. So right now, if you look at the 5 minutes time frame, we have 5 minutes candle break above these highs. That is not that really good. But right now we are waiting for the final confirmation, because I will be expecting this 50 minutes candle to close below these highs. That is where there will be a lot of confirmation, a lot of confidence. But right now, if this price close 50 minutes candle close above these highs, then it's always about managing risk. Okay, but let's see how it goes. It was somehow confusing. Looking at the price action here is too much ugly. Okay, just price just consolidating, all this kind of stuff. But looking at this analysis, you can see if you look at the previous price action, everything bullish. But if we look at this range, it's not that bullish, because of something like this really happened. After we get BOX, price retrace back and sweep the liquidity above these highs. So this is a clear confirmation. Then price drop. So after price drop, this is the lowest point that swept the liquidity above this high. So this is the clear liquidation that we have. So this is where we have a shift. So since we get this market shift, okay, this is where price created this low and then created this high, and we have another liquidity sweep. So what I'm looking right now is not that really good. The bullish momentum is still, but let's see how it goes. It's always about managing risk, just risking $2,000. And this is the last day of the week, Friday. But let's see how it goes. We can never judge a trade if price never hits your stop loss or take profit. So after price created this high and swept the liquidity, then this is where we have bearish trend. So, but let's see how it goes, because looking at this price action, it was bullish since yesterday. And that is just, by the way, managing risk. So this is a clear rejection there. But this trade, as I said, nothing is perfect. We want to see how this 50 minutes candle, how it is going to close. If it is going to close below or above, then we see how it goes. Just risking $2,000 for almost 10,000. If price swept the liquidity and reverse, then we are going to hit TP today, but let's see how it goes. So right now we have some seconds. This candle is going to close. So this 50 minutes candle is going to be the final candle to see. If it is a body breakout, then the probability is going to be somehow. But if it is a weak breakout, that is a clear rejection there. Just look at how price is going. That's a clear rejection. So let me go for, if you look at the 5 minutes time frame, they are still struggling, but that was a strong liquidation there. Even if I hit stop loss, that is a good analysis because I didn't see strong enough buyers. We have some seconds. Wow. The 50 minutes candle just closed. So if we look at, we view the price right now, this is where it closed. So let's see whether it is weak breakout or this is a clear weak breakout. This is a clear confirmation that I was waiting for. That is a clear good rejection. Wow. This is a clear rejection. This is a weak breakout. So that is a clear liquidation in 50 minutes time frame. But as I said, nothing is perfect. Still managing the risk. That is a clear. So this is a clear confirmation that price can drop a lot, frankly speaking, because we have strong liquidation above these highs. Price can really drop, but nothing is perfect. So managing the risk. So let's see how it goes. This is where, just look at what really happened. This is fucking crazy. The price dropped a lot because that was a very strong liquidation. Looking at this price action is crazy. This is where price just look at what really happened. How it dropped. Just drop like, it's crazy, bro. This is where the institutions try to go in and push the price. Just look at what really happened. Because as I said, price is going to drop a lot. It is going to really drop a lot. Because of this strong liquidation above this side. Because looking at the 15 minutes candle, this is where the institution, because looking at this price action, there is always a logic behind the price action, okay? As I said, the goal here is to trade with the institution because how they manipulate price is crazy. After price created these highs, this was the equal highs. So what really happened in 5 minutes time frame, immediately the price mitigate this zone, there was a lot of sellers trying to push the price. So this is the reason why I said these sellers, we are not going to enter before. We expect a strong liquidation here because this is where they are putting their pending orders, all this kind of stuff. Bro, I'm fucking goat. It is about reading the price. Sometimes people try to analyze the chart, all this kind of stuff. It is not about analyzing the chart. It is always about reading the price because all of this comes to having a good knowledge about the price action because you need to really understand the market participant who is behind these candles. Because these candles that we are looking, okay, we retail traders, our behavior, all this kind of stuffs. And we also have institutions, their behaviors, okay? So my goal as a retail trader is to trade with the institution. So I trade with the institution and I fucking know how they manipulate price because it's always about manipulation. And before I analyze the chart, just look at what really happened. Let's go, baby. Let's fucking go. Fucking proud of this knowledge. It is about understanding how the banks manipulate this price. I fucking know how they manipulate this price. Now, as I said, price is going to drop. So right now, we will be targeting a lot. Just look at how it really happened. This is the last week. I'm fucking goat. What the fuck, bro? No. No, bro. Within 20 minutes, just look at what really happened. What the fuck? Just look at what really happened within 20 minutes. Bro. No. Just look at this. What, bro? Within 20 minutes. Just look at what really happened. We am the go. Just look at this, man. What the fuck? No, what the fuck, bro? Just look at this dude. I closed the trade because I don't want any more. I never want to reach 10K because I know the price is going to drop a lot. I fucking knew the price is going to drop a lot. Just look at how, bro, I'm the fuck? 9K is okay because this is a prop firm account and I cannot make too much. 9K is okay because I don't have to go more than beyond 10K because of too much restrictions. But this is a clear trade. What the fuck? Within 20 minutes. Just look at this. Within 20 minutes. Bro, I'm fucking proud. What the fuck? What? Just look at this dude. Welcome to the institutions. I fucking know.